nessa minha boboteira tu nunca prestou atenção. O único fuzil, toma.
Good morning, sir. My name is John Mark Mandawan. Three types of 3 sets of driving safety. Number 1, I will not drive when drunk, not drowsy, not. Number 2, I will not pass without care on curbs, not hills, nor the views and unseen by my eyes. 3, I will not violate speed laws, no exceed speed limit. Number 4, I do not disobey highway sign and traffic signal. Number 5, I do not make a twice without signaling my intention. Number 6, I do not accelerate my speed at school, playgrounds, hospital, and other dangerous zone. Number 6, I will not be careless when crossing intersection. Number 8, I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. Number 9, I will not slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. Number 10, I will be courteous and respectful. Self-travel, 10 commandments of safety rule. Number 1, thou shalt not gaze at the phone. Number 2, thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. Number 3, thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. 4, thou shalt not take any chance. 5, thou shalt buckle up the cage. Number 6, thou shalt not drive on the right. Number 7, thou shalt not drive with one light or with faulty light. Number 8, thou shalt adhere to the speed limit. Number 9, thou shalt keep the distance. Number 10, thou shalt practice patience. 10 commandments of traffic. Number 1, keep right. Number 2, observe road courtesy. Number 3, prohibited parking. Number 4, if in doubt, do not overtake. Number 5, the bus stop rule, lining up on the bus stop zone. Number 6, rule to prevent an untangled traffic jams. Number 6, observe traffic management measure. Number 8, philosophy of Pinoy driver, first come first serve bicycle. Number 9, on pedestrian. Number 10, remember the international driving safety reminders. Thank you.